Ese mwendwani na udhocha ingende ni wakilungu chake ile cha unene ni witulilikana kana kavindani ka mukomo wa imanisio nene na ilani sia serikali yetu ikinyete na kukusi wa vanene vala masa mavudu mavetu ndeni wa mesa cheni cha mvoto na maniwe kuma kimanisio ni kinene cha Kenyatta University maivikia kwa sekana kumdhani wa une no lazima mavikia kusioka ndeni wa imanisio na kuende na masomo kuyana na mpangilio wao vala kiyo ni cha umundi twende na kumulika na kusisi ni maundu meva serikali ya letaidi wa ijeka na ni matambia meva maletaidi wa mayati wa kielelo kinene kikuikidia kana mukomo huu ni wa viki ya kuidhi wa uidhini kiwa kwanzia ila ya litevalendi kiyo ni cha umundi ni na umwe wa maniwa kumwa kimanisio ni cha KCA University ndi mudhocha ni kanaindi atotabia masitwa make na hapa ati mwana ibandeni wa kimanisio karibu sana utotabia masitwa maku utotabia musia sema masitwa maku umetewa na kwati mwana iba
asante sana Jimmy. Kwa masitwa nitawa Isaac Wambua wa Muli. I'm the current KCA University Secretary General. Kuituni Makueni Kibwezi West constituency, specifically Makindu ward.
Isa kuambua karibu sana kwa ibinda yake lendeni wa studio ya Cheni TV kabindani katu idho timuli kama undoka utama nete kisomo.
Na asante.
Katuambie sio imo kwa imwene kwidwa masani ona masembete mituki kwa metuki. Neki mukomo wethi to ikinyete munona kukusi wandeni wa imanisio sia serikali na tima nisio sia ilane private.
Basically nyeta ni student leader from the private universities. Ndo na kwacha private universities they are run privately. But oisia kwa public universities lecturer nongi na depend on the government and kilando na kwasia either student leaders ni tuikite viti tuisiondo serikali ndo tutebia but chonde kila tuinena it has been falling on deaf ears kwa serikali. So muko muundo na kwasia uende munu kwa public universities ndo akwela tegemeo lolo ndeni kuma balabe government unlike private universities bala it is run privately. Ebo kwithia yu mondo na joini na ke 2015 ne graduate 2018 na kene ku take more than 4 years to do a BCom degree. So you kilando no kule serikali kimchambe ni kana we have been complaining too much and on Friday tunaena meeting as student leaders both private and public universities na try proceed all the way to Amina Mohamed's office na try mu request asisiondo mukomoto notela in the public universities but chondeke la tuendelee na kwika ni kana macho to education.
Okay, tu ndeni wa uneni waku na ndina utila na kwase nitwa ni yebinde bodo ebetu amanywe kuma kimanyisio ni kinene cha Kenyatta University ni maisekana ni meidi wa maiso kile school kimda nani wa uni na menda amanywe ni kana mabiki yakwe yumila kwa wingi tuisia mukomola ide to ikinyete na kukusi wandeno imanyisio hii nula ile taidi wa itulwa mutini kwito tutabia kanuna ndiye na mwatu wa isomano na minister muriani wa kisomo Mwandu Amina Mohamed ni serikali ile taidi wa itulwa mutini ni minister muriani wa kisomo kana ni lecturer salama ndiye to maisomo dia
basically kimundulo alito tulo mukomoni wa lecturers ni government
naniki
100% government na nonto tuitona kwa si Amina Mohamed isu yake no docket CS ni CS wa education so quarter all the funding from the government na you get the government it is was a serious then in manishani government ikutuma mukomo waendea
tuisiokedia ndini wa watu ya withito we secretary general kubikia junior tawekite Tanzania kuikiria kana we taithito we musomi thini wa kimanisio cha KCA University na taithito we secretary general paima wetu mana bikia kwikumbila manyua kabitani kala matwa ise masomo mo ni matande member ithito itwa ise
Jimmy kilando na kuotavia campus politics is so like no na national politics. So elana campaignia last year na manifesto mako alana promise the students gamea na betana twika student leader na twika secretary general ngeka una ngongela bursaries ngeka una nga provide a lot of investors mortgage school nika to kwa internships. So according to my specific manifestos ilana ngere students ilana campaignia no nasi at least nene fulfill it a quarter dikwenda ni choche nene fulfill it like a quarter of what I promised the students.
Toke baani tunewiye etina munetha na ila tunameta one man one vote kana kula mwe kwa mundu mwe na etina tunaiwa kindu munali kiloketa dual bill kwa tueleze lwa mutalatalo
dual bill ne mswada wa sponsiwe ni Duale the majority leader in the parliament last year 23rd November na Duale propose a bill such that every department in a campus maka nominate ya 3 delegates the 3 delegates makaenda not to vote for the student leaders so baingwa ila direct voting such that students ni matwana ku queue na ku vote for their right candidate so students will vote for the delegates nikenda na delegates si vote for the students you kindu chambege lando no weta ona na sani go muno president Uhuru Kenyatta ati send that bill to law send you 23rd of December last year na usuni mswada utemosiona ni bill itensio ni kwenda nyeta ni mwana siasa I just need to be financially stable ni netele delegates masobwe no kene mose on the kone Kenya tutaile kuichocha tuna rangi with that in corruption worldwide so na ile kumoso delegates ngadinga mona kando makambuni ya kura so these are very bad law we have been petitioning in Milimani Law Court severally but Duale has been sending his best lawyers so because we are student leaders last year donated to 87,000 by our lawyers then you can imagine we are student leaders we are competing against the government machineries so nindo na kwaza they are diminishing the leadership in the campuses which is too bad
ila mwetu mbesa imu masela
mbesa hii nuweze nitwailo kwebanga ide watano okay they are you pona of course the allowances kindo chambe monthly allowances ngaumo banga di obandu na students nona ilo ne wakindo no school ukona so bo ila a little remuneration na ilo kwato per month so you know kona na combine my force from KU force from another campus na rukwata mbesa
tusioke diwenge kwa kunitu kona kana wosi obisi kwe mwini wa 12 suni mwaka mwetu na palo kidwe mundu ko tongo in November mwaka ula ni mwezi wa 11 niki wa decide kuita kibila kicha secretary general ndino akimamisho kinene cha KCA
kindu kimundo na kueta kibila cha secgen kana secretary general ni one of the very crucial seats in every council nundo wananiona in the biggest councils like NAT ando ingi matesi chairman wa NAT no but nimeze sosioni ugaise ya council ingita court Andrew Mayesi who is the chairman in court but they know actually as the secretary general so I thought and according to my capability nene CCN sana asisia I'm able to defend the students because the seat of the secretary general is all about defending the students so nene according to me mundu nimeze ne wamba kweli assess so nene assessie ne there kwa kweli nene defend students I can be a very good students lawyer that's why I went for the seat of the secretary general
kubikia unit ni maundu meba uminite kwa kwika ni kwithiwa kuma mwezi wa 12 nginya yuto mwezi wa 5 no binyoke dia bya mwaka mundu alo uminite kwika ni hata 2010 wa kimanisho kicha KCA toilet kusisi na kwasi kana meketwe ni Isaac Wambua ula ni secretary general
of course kuno kindo indo KCA University but allow me to say it kindo chambe nina assure students kana ne together na new revision books in our library our library is too big na anyway they are most of the time material ila si usike kala site replace no with the musoma sindo outdated then nina promise ye kana I will make sure that the materials are updated and they are too many to make sure that either ne comrade wadi usoma ne where they are all the required material kingi nina propose to students kana ningu propose to the university we see most of the students see maikala hostels with the amune maikala Thika Road angeni meuka na Mondo wa town angeni meudina utaring so I had promised my students that ningu propose to the university with the every morning early in the morning mbasi nesi adioka sisi kwete students sisi maende school
na usiniwekiwe
kwa with over kuma 6 alama inukite mbasi nisi adinge siku simatungete maumete kila mundu stage ila kwake. So that is another thing na of which nengwa na nene kienesa.
Thank you sir.
Pegging very important.
Yeah.
Nena promise students kanunga manenga internships and attachments. Of which or US per now kuma November kuko kuma December kuko biko you. No nasi I have over 150 students. Nimekitishwa kana mimi internships through me.
Okay.
Direct contact kwesela balani.
Thank you sana ninge mute kana kethi ya chuma na sia ndio na mega tusiogethi wengi kwa kuni hata uko na serikali ilete kwikanika na kumina mukomo ula idite wikusi wande ni wa ma university ama ito
kindu chambe serikali na ile serious na kisomo ni kwitha ila wasomeria kana ni wabinga ngate ya ucha na idita leaders ni tuigite viti mukomo udele lakini serikali na yote endelee na ndisi ni kutwase ni kuifanya kana ni kuikata nina University of Nairobi last week on Tuesday na kilani na lecture all no na lecturers from other campuses sioka si atubombu sitona kwa twinya kwa twi lecturers tuendelee na usoma tuendelee na usoma but basically to strategize on how we are going to deal with the lecturers strike. So kila ndo mkuje serikali undu itona kwika undu thitha serious kwetha na maundu ta ukegwa ni kwetha na attack bana wona ifaru si on the sisembere siendere kwa kwina ministry ngita ya devolution wona ama me take it very serious but ministry ila very serious ta education then the government nearly in fact on nearly kwetha it allocate a lot of funds in the ministry like education compared to the other ministries.
Okay, tusiogedio baba kuingi bwana Isa kuambua ibinde butho betu ni tunoni mweta andiki mama uvonde ni wa kisio chama sako na mabiki ya kunena bala muna ndiye kudesia isito ya ndongo ya ngwatani ya kiuteti ya Wiper Dr. Steven Kalonzo Musyoka na kwa sekana ya mwekati wa mwikala manenda kumubakia ntaka isito yake niki munosi atambia ina ni chao kinedi kine kikabumbeni
kindu jambe yisu nila isuti national politics na kila ndo anakwacha concerning our move to call for the press na to address kila tuna address yeni kana kindu chambe governor wa Masaku Alfred Mutua ni withite na kebuye kingi muno kana karele kwesabu menyake na mutendo bala wakumayulu rwesa bala mutigu mayulu no wambe yiye bandu so kila mtu wa uendelea na kwika ni kindu kite allowed na ni kindu kite ile kwithiwa ndutona ku fund a group of youths ukamatwa abantu ukamauya sindu ila umwabuya ukamanenga ngilie mwemwe na we manenga press masome in front of cameras. That is too bad.
Mwena wekedio
twina wekedio mulumu ni kwetha Daniel ula wasoma the press itself, the press statement araniete Machakos town MP under Chapchap na netu isini close friend wa Mutua. So nitewiye wo iditata andu ma youth ila toni ati mundu atasia Kalonzo should be replaced by Mutua. That was very bad. Nicho kutumi tuokie na twase netu isikana Mutua ni political orphan. Netu isi Mutua ndesa kutweka president. Na netu isi Mutua
kana nawoni wenu
according to us and according to the investigation ila tuigite. No is not rika survey yonito. Ni kwetha you for example you ona kujimyuke ka survey ne sa ya Machakos County. Although ni siweleza huyo neutral tuoka in politics. Mundu andesa kwa 100% Machakos County itself first of all. Ambagweka na yuna makuweni Machakos County itself ndesa kwa 100% and mundu akwati kweko ne Kalonzo akikabogo picket. So first of all he should appreciate to Kalonzo, not a matter of insulting Kalonzo.
Nenge binde budo betu tuona ni governor wa county ya Makueni Professor Kibula Kibwana ula tuisikana ni wa mwandiki wa chama cha Wiper ibikia kumudhocha bwana Mutua ndini wa county ya Masaku na mawe taka na nimekwithiwa maitwa Asia ula ume Tanzania kwikidia kana ngwata ni ya mukambani ya bikia kwithiwa na masi kana maina udhuna mundu ula ukethiwa yokila na kuicha kibila cha usumbi mwaka ni wangilile na miongole na ile jibu na bena issue katikati wa Mutua na Kalonzo na Kalonzo ni kwithiwa
bena issue bena issue nini nundu Mutua kindu chambe baingo mutheno Mutua waesa kwitha atono nenga Kalonzo ili credit Mutua we wake ni kuiva and MCS na bloggers matters the good name of Kalonzo. I'll take it too long to make it ko ndo na kwa say you Mutua as a person who was discovered by Kalonzo aile kwikalande na ke kuja aiba akande yo babe Kalonzo kega mutua o yuno to no yake Kalandi na Kalonzo tamundu la mu discover nesa ailo muelesia undu to anakosa kibela cha president. But mutua should not be going for president. Mutua deserves in fact a lower seat more than not a government. Not even a government.
Tuonde ni wandongo isi ilebe Kalonzo na pia penda mutua alingine umbetikira ngukuja yu bena ndongo isi ilebe na Kalonzo na pia penda mutua nuona ila mutua waenda na afuasi ya mwe na Kalonzo kadi na afuasi ya mwe ino ni tona ndio wajenzi ya kwenda kwa nyumba ya Mukamba
isuki of course nenzi ya kwa nyumba ya Mukamba nundu onanduka ase mutwano muthuku po andu alo ikomika no akandu kenda utona kwethe control of which need to see either on a minority but that minority ne could need division. That is division na ni kindu tuteta kwetikila na ni kindu tuteka ku promote cho kila twithire twikuja ni kana yose mutu andu mukwata onoka thio bisine kwa get appointment ndwesa munengo etha ABC munumbere wa Kalonzo so tukula si appointment twikalendi na ketu yenge wana ketu muelesi bala wa isi matambi undu twenda atuke Kalandi na Kalonzo akatwethukesi ithira andu ma youth so kega mutu wana genu wethukesi awandu ama youth undu mwemoya kengwe ni kindu nonsense akaigino but now kuifanya we nuwe simu no na ne cinema bingi na PR ekatwambo ekela iso tusiokethende ne wa katiba tawi mutongo ikuma kimanyisio ne cha KCN twithite tuona mekati watongo ikuma ilembetania ukamba na kuma iso nisikiba kukanga ni mayendekethia ni kana katiba kabikie kwiki wa mwandu kwa na methito mayendekethia ni kana bethe na mwana minister munene na munini wake woni utona kuweta kilando na kwa this is a selfish interest. Referendum. They want to propose referendum. Devolution cannot be done upwards on the route on as deputy president. Ela muligila kwa satu then prime minister, to then another deputy prime minister. Isn't a selfish interest because to end up to then prime minister to accommodate someone who is retiring from politics. To end up with then a deputy prime minister to accommodate someone who is at menopause in politics. So you don't know that is too bad. Try lego review katiba kaitu
kwa undo kwa tambo okay tuzogelea kwa kunitwethite tuona ingi matongo imami na kuma imanyisioni nene kwangeleka nyutwase una imwandiki mdeni wa kimanisho cha KCA ila weso mina school na asio kwa muzika kana asio kwa dikula ku audio dokuma nitona maikalangane binda nini mayasi netu kwenda kukicheki bila labda cha MCA cha MP cha governor kana okibila kingi kuyana na mungu ekweyewa mubango waku ni moyo wa 2022 nigwiwa kubikia bune twewa tutalelame katwa mungu allow me nita kwikandini wa kimanisho kicha KCA
kelando na kwacha although 2022 yo basa nikana 2022 nyeniona mipango ila ya kwamba ngete nyita mundu na leadership it is all about changing the world for the better na ela na ambiye I believe leadership is a call and a responsibility for me so ndo na kwacha kana nyini na mipango mizo ya 2022 but my MCA is my good friend my MP is my good friend my senator is my good friend and my governor is my good friend so naambi to manenga time nisi MCA wakwa yekata MP wakwa yekata na senator na governor na mume yekata by 2021 I will come out clear but I know I will be in the ballot either MP or senator or MCA
isuni 2022
yeah
kubigyo yu atu ya kana withito imwandiki ndini wa kimanisho cha KCA nibethi wabe na ujiwa kana nuto na isaukila na kuite kibila kingi akakicha secretary general.
Of course I believe in politics there should be political growth. So I believe they graduate next year, not only graduate next year, graduate next year December. So this year in November ningo thandite kibila cha chairman or the president of KCA University. This basically nimino kile mandwala on the near the students. Nundu nengwa na ndiye na time slot ya kumina one. So this year November ningo thandite kibila cha president of KCA University. And I'm sure ningo ngainu kumbonekania ningo singa.
Okay. That is it our siasa. Tuimino kile yani kwithwa masani una mind data ndilendele na director ni iwe itu ya kana binda yito etialeti obanini ngethi katikati wa president Uhuru Kenyatta na ndongo yangwata ni akiuteti ya nasa bwana Raila Odinga nina wiki ye kwithwa yamina ukuluma siongozi ya mavona ene thika utakuma isoni siki wakanga ni mabiki ya kwiyumila na mabiki ya kunenga na mawoni mo utona kunene hata yulu angethi no
handshake
Yes.
Handshake kana ngevi ila tunamyoni. This handshake has brought confusion and dilemma in both the opposition and the government. Nondo yu wasisia Kalonzo asia ndaitwa Musalia ndaitwa Ruto asia na ndaitwa na ndezi kunduka handshake. So kindu chambe handshake niambie kwete kindu positive such that nitukwambie kwenda na healing of the nation na kwenda kweko sio na kwenda na peace. So handshake ndito no me criticize, it is good. But again to see the hidden agenda of the handshake. No kwenda your strategy ya 2022 but for the time being let's give a credit where it deserves. Ninzio or you economy ya sawa ya Kenya because of the handshake.
Okay. Tuimino kilile na tauto na kutabia labda musiesi okuzeze kuma kuondoni piki bakukanga. Ratiko sako mino kinya. Kindundo no ukulya na ni kwa wana youth of course on the alama tone the manzi selie kana amene interview no. Mwana with the student leader with the comrade wherever you are kindu chambe ningwenda twa come out clear on any press conference all students nondo netu kwenda kwitha na nationwide demonstration, peaceful demonstration for our lecturers to be back. Ningukulya all the comrades bala maitu the two united twa asia kuingwa kusoma tuteswa mangina lecturers masi of school because I believe we are not students of a lesser god. Ndiko na kitumikila serikali itona kwitha dhinengane mbesa mbingi kwa ministries inge but kwa education ila ni very crucial to either to undermine chakeli mwedugesa witha ushago byo yani tiko ya musigwiro kitwi makueni nengu mukulya twe united ibindane di twikambire ku criticize mount twasi ati Kalonzo no now she wene Raila no ne the selfish twe then twe au to be indie to man after this pela becha ukiende. Thank you sana bwana Isa kwa mwende nundu ebinda yakukuka na kunene nyana itu yulo mundu makoneti kisomo twiko ende ebinda sio womwe baende mwende udhukume amandewi watondo na vikiye kumadha na ende ne kwacha netu ithi watu ikwita tuka tunene yulo mundu wange kauta watondo maithi wa maimine na uketika nandi msiaisi mwendo waki cheni cha muvumo ndoni wasa umvalatu ethi wanake Isa kwa mboa ulikana kana ethi eto emwandiki kuma kimanyisioni cha KCA valatu ethi wanake imwe kwa imwe ni wa mungana ni wa mwana na ni wabikia kumanaende muungamo wota amaniwa wethe to ungamita wasililika na karasi ungamo mondo ni wasaita tunethiwa ndisio kethia